Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're heading to Lashings. The road bad. You can see a tourist attraction and the road so bad. So I'm heading out. That's mommy right there. That's my sister you guys used to her. So we're headed along to Lashings. So I almost reach. So this is the entrance. It's a nice view where you have the pool and such. Now we're heading up. We're supposed to be heading up, but we're gonna head down for a while. And knowing me, I am wearing heels. I don't want to fall, so you're gonna see most of the step. So this part is very tricky. You have to head down and then you head up. So I don't want to fall, guys. So you're gonna be seeing the steps. Now they have a seating area down here before you reach the restaurant where you can go and have drinks or whatever, chillax in the hammock. That's the view of Treasure Beach. And yes guys, I forgot to tell you, Lashings, for those who don't know, Lashings is in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. So that's me just taking in the view. It is such a lovely place to be, very cool, very quiet as well. And I like the whole structure of the building. It's very nice. So I'm heading back to mommy. And yeah, we're gonna go to the restaurant and get some food. Cameraman today I go and taking in the view. Yes, cameraman, do your thing. These are my family. My family. You don't want to say nothing in the video.
You see what time when your mood gone? Other people always have mood, and when you have mood, other people have
Stop it, lie at them. No wrong with it today.
Hungry.
What's wrong with her today, people?
I'm hungry. Made up here in the family.
Says you're hungry.
Made up here in the family.
So we're heading up these stairs. Sides up. This is the dining area and the bar. No over family there.
Are you one in the family or
Mommy, I rank with my people say me want ugly. For me. For me. Now guys, these that you see hanging up in the ceiling are names of persons who have been here before and choose to leave a souvenir that yes, I have been here. And you have some that are advertising different places, so if you want to advertise something you can always come here and have that there. I'm trying to get mine done, but it's too expensive, so I can't bother. That's me showing off my ugly face right there. And then people over here, so Christian on her phone, mommy hanging out. I think mom is bored, you know, there's no one here today. Mom is very bored. Now guys, across from the dining area there's a whole different section where they have like paintings hanging, and they use sticks to separate each rooms. I like the architecture of this place, trust me, it's very nice. And they have like these wooden carvings, things that they carve out of wood. It's so artistic. Trust me, it's very nice. Something to. So the food is ready, and we're having fish, all different types, brown stew fish with pami, and I'm very hungry, so I am ready to eat. So I got brown stew fish and pami with some veg. So that's the thing. So girl start eat, girl over our belly. You don't know, say eating a one. All up in this thing, food tastes nice and all that. Cameraman the family like want eat it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Bye.